Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram crashing. So let's begin the video. At first, check if the Instagram is down. Go to your web browser, search is Instagram down? Then click on this website. And if it shows server down, then you have to wait for a few hours to Instagram it fix. If it's not the issue, then clear the app cache. Open settings and go to apps. Find and tap on Instagram. Tap storage and then clear cache. This can remove temporary files that might be causing the crash. Also, restarting your device can clear temporary glitches. Another solution is delete the Instagram app from your device. Go to the Google Play Store and reinstall Instagram. Open the app and log into your account. Also ensure your device has enough storage space. Low storage can sometimes cause apps to crash. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.